helping mother. Do you help at home like Merla? What do you do? Merla, a grade 2 pupil, goes home as soon as her class is over. She helps her mother sell in the little store. She helps in closing the store at night. In the morning, Merla buys bread from a big bakery. They sell the bread in their store. Her mother is happy for her help. What grade is Merla in? Merla is in grade 2. Where does Merla help? Merla helps at home. Where does Merla buy bread? Merla buys bread from a big bakery. What do they do with the bread? They sell the bread in their little store. What does Merla do to help her mother? Merla helps her mother sell in their little store, and she helps in closing the store at night.